Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to save battery on your Android device. There are many ways to save battery and I will show you some of it. So first is let your screen turn off sooner. If you go to settings, then type screen. Then if you scroll down, go to lock screen clock format. In sleep, you can adjust in settings. So if you want to make it 1 minute or 30 seconds. Next is reduce screen brightness. If you go to display, then you go to brightness level, you can adjust the screen brightness. You can set the brightness to change automatically. You can also turn off keyboard sounds and vibration. So if you go to sounds and vibration, scroll down, and in vibrate on top, then you can turn it off. You can also restrict apps with high battery use. If you go to settings again, then go to battery. If you scroll down, at the top are apps with the most battery use. To restrict the app, press on it. On the bottom of the screen, press the details. And you can press the restrict data usage. Then toggle off the restriction that you wanted. You can also turn on battery saver. You go to battery, then turn on battery saver. You can also turn on dark theme on display. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.